Good morning, all of you. Good morning, Rajat. Good morning, Apurva. Good morning, Tanya. Good evening, class. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, class. Good morning जिसने भी बोला था अभी मैंने नाम नहीं पढ़ा यहाँ पे सॉरी. Good afternoon नहीं है माही. Good evening हो गई है. तेरे को भी good evening. Anyway, my name is Rohit and I'll take the English section with you. All the parts of its grammar, RC, VA. I'm an alumnus of SRCC and a dropout of IIMC. Alright. Chalo, Samskriti says yes, Rupal says yes, Rakshak says no. Okay. The purpose of today's class is to familiarize ourselves with different types of vocab, grammar and para-based questions. Sir, your voice is not clear. Sarthak. Sorry यार ये mic नीचे था. सार्थक तेरे को आवाज आ रही है? Appreciate if the class is interactive. If you ask questions, हालांकि तुम पूछोगे नहीं मुझे पता है. Has began क्या होता है भाई साहब? ये कौन सा tense है? Has began, which tense is this? This is no tense in grammar. If at all you want to put present perfect tense, make it has begun at least. मेरे को लग रहा है भाई तेरे नेट कनेक्शन में दिक्कत आ रही है हल्की सी. ठीक है? Give me the concept behind it. You don't have a lot of time. You can go to Khushwant Singh. Certainly go to Khushwant Singh. The first thing we are focusing on is reading. मुझको एक चीज बताओ बस. तुमको याद है अभी लास्ट बैटमैन कौन बना था? कौन सा एक्टर कर रहा है लास्ट बैटमैन जो बना था? सलमान का. अरे भाई इतना तगड़ा वाले बात नहीं कर रहा मैं. The proceedings resumed after a brief, you can say break, halt, recess. Khushwant Singh trained to Pakistan. You might have heard of it. Anyway, mind you, it is not a simple concept of which noun the pronoun is fixed closest to. It is a concept of which it actually refers to. बहुत बढ़िया. The kinds of questions, let's jump to those. Penury is an English term word which means poverty. उर्दू में इसको बोलते हैं मुफलिसी. मुफलिसी. हर्षित भाई तू मेरे को बता दियो कोई भी दिक्कत हो मैसेज में लिख दियो. मैं नंबर भी दे देता हूँ अपना. After the class, if any one of you has any doubt, any concept that stays, ठीक है मैं लिख देता हूँ. कोई भी कलेश होगा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है अपन मिलके सॉल्व कर लेंगे. Sobriquet is a stage name, a pen name, moniker as well. उर्दू में इसको बोलते हैं तखल्लुस. But never mind. What do you understand by a noun? Or what do you understand by a gerund for that matter? Or what do you understand by a present participle? Or what is an adverbial phrase? So when you have classes that pertain to grammar, please be attentive. Reading, as was told to you in the first class, is important and pilot बन के घूम रहा है. Mike है गरीब के बच्चे. बहुत बढ़िया. A word in isolation can mean anything. If it is put in a sentence, it can mean something different. Look at the first example. It says lukewarm. Abstract is something that is open to interpretation. So, when the meaning is something else, okay, Yashika, you can go with that as well. Do you know what analogies are? Well, it's correct when you say C because it is the correct answer. Very well, we'll discuss the concept for those who haven't attempted this or who are unbeknownst of the concept behind this. Okay, you shall know the meanings to all the words. B is the correct answer. Shabash. Chalo bhai sahab. Hence it is abstract. या विघ्नेश नहीं गलत बोल रहा तू यार. But I appreciate तूने बोला. What matters is how precise you are, how brief you are. मतलब संक्षेप में बोलना है तुमको. You can feel while reading कि he is passionate about the subject. Not only and but also are a pair of correlative conjunctions. Difficult ones if you wish to move to. Ensure you get the hang of HT and TOI before moving to the more difficult ones. Hindu, Indian Express, The Economist, The Deccan Chronicle, The Telegraph, The Statesman, these all offer lexical value. They enrich your vocabulary. The phrases used are strong. They are difficult to understand, construe. It is ironical for Pinocchio to say that people shan't lie. So this is a figure of speech. I'll discuss figures of speech as well in a separate class. Irony, metaphor, epithet, transferred epithet, metonym. If at all you get the hang of books, of newspapers, shall you move to books? न्यूट्रल टोन ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है. ऑब्जेक्टिव मीन्स देखो, इफ आई कवर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत's डेथ, the objective tone of stating it would be Sushant Singh was found dead, murdered or committed suicide is yet to be proven. This is objective. अब मैं अगर बोलूं सुशांत का मर्डर हुआ था, सुशांत का मर्डर हुआ तो सुशांत ने सुसाइड किया था, अरे these are not objective. Sports entertainment आसान होता है, philosophy is difficult, religion is very difficult, it makes life difficult. Fiction is simpler when compared to factual descriptions. Swami and Friends करके किताबें हैं, so you can go for Arvind Adiga, White Tiger is the most famous, Man Booker वाली. अरुंधति रॉय पढ़ सकते हो तुम. खुशवंत सिंह had a weekly column with malice towards one and all. If you read HT, अमीश भी ठीक है, अमीश त्रिपाठी, The Shiva Trilogy बहुत सही है मुकुल, अगर तूने पढ़ी है तो बहुत अच्छा है. This is a relative pronoun. You had 3 major relative pronouns if you recall, which, that, who के forms, whom, whose, which always whenever introduces a clause uses a comma before it. That as a relative pronoun never takes a comma before it, so you have to be mindful of the punctuation mark as well. Factual में you can go for autobiographies and biographies. You have My Kampf, Hitler की, Wings of Fire, अबुल पकीर, जैन अलाउद्दीन, अब्दुल कलाम. इंडिया अनबाउंड करके एक बहुत सही किताब है, गुरुचरण दास की है. रामचंद्र गुहा वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ द कमिटी ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स एज वेल, अपॉइंटेड बाय द लोधा कमिटी BCCI के लिए. एंड एज यशिका राइटली सेड, इंडिया आफ्टर गांधी इज द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द सीरीज. द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज गांधी बिफोर इंडिया. शशि थरूर की एन एरा ऑफ डार्कनेस, द मोस्ट फेमस. कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल तो यूजुअली होती हैं सारी. इंट्रीगिंग फॉर यू. अगाथा क्रिस्टी, सलमान रश्दी तो है ही है. द सैटेनिक वर्सेस यू माइट हैव हर्ड, द मोस्ट फेमस एंड द मोस्ट कंट्रोवर्शियल. उसके अगेंस्ट फतवा जारी हुआ था. ईसोटेरिक मतलब जो क्लासेस के लिए बनाता है, जैसे एक बंदा मासेस के लिए बनाता है जो सब कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं. ईसोटेरिक मेक फॉर ओनली अ स्पेसिफिक कोटरी और अ स्पेसिफिक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. द लैंग्वेज यूज्ड इज रियली टफ. सलमान रश्दी यूजेस रियली टफ लेक्सिकन. The narration is non-linear. अनुराग कश्यप पता ही है ना तुमको, गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर का. गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर, if you see both the movies, I hope you have seen those, उसमें जो narration है that is non-linear. Just tell me why in option A there is no A, यहाँ पे there is no indefinite article A, and in other options you have an indefinite article A before greater understanding. Why do you say a greater understanding and not simply greater understanding? Why? There has to be a grammatical rationale behind it. Understanding, if you don't put A, will be construed as a verb of the continuous tense. If you put A, it becomes a gerund. Something like a Frontline. A Frontline is a magazine of the Hindu newspaper जो है उसकी. EPW is also a good magazine to consult. Economic and Political Weekly. इसका लास्ट तो एडिटर वो था परंजॉय गुहा ठाकुरता करके एक बंदा, बट ही स्टेप डाउन. इग्नोरेंट एंड इग्नोरेमस आर सिनोनिम्स. ठीक है. Who's a snob? What is snobbish? Jonathan says सोनम कपूर. वैसे तो देखो, I have to be neutral as a teacher, पर Jonathan सही बोल रहा है. The same concept that we used in the first question. I just want you to be clear with the concept. Dan is a comparative which is used to compare. You are comparing produces. Produces is a verb. In option C, you are comparing produces with does. Produces is a main verb. Does is an auxiliary, which is a verb again. In option D, produces is the verb. That is a pronoun. A pronoun is used in place of noun. You can't compare a verb with a pronoun or a noun. Hence, D is not the correct answer. निष्ठा तेरा आंसर क्या है? तुमने 2 आंसर पे लिखा है. गलत बात है. निष्ठा ये कैट में मत करियो जल्दबाजी. तो ज्यादा एक्सप्लेन करने का है नहीं यार, तुम्हें आ रहा है सारा.